How can students avoid one learning style trap? Imagine trying to learn a new skill by only using one method. It might seem simple, but it can actually hold you back from understanding and remembering better. Many students think they have a single learning style, like visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, and believe sticking to it is the best way. This idea is called the learning style trap. But science shows that relying on just one way to learn can limit your progress because your brain is flexible and can process information in many different ways. When you only use one style, you miss out on ways that could make learning easier and more effective. Studies have found little evidence that matching study methods to a preferred learning style improves results. Instead, using a variety of methods helps your brain connect ideas more deeply. For example, if you only watch videos because you think you're a visual learner, you might miss out on benefits from listening or writing. Engaging multiple senses helps strengthen your memory and understanding. When you read, write, speak, and draw diagrams, your brain gets more signals to remember and understand the material. To avoid the learning style trap, focus on proven techniques that work for everyone. First, try active learning. Instead of just passively reading or listening, explain concepts aloud, teach someone else, or write summaries in your own words. These activities make your brain work harder and remember better. Second, use spaced repetition. Review your notes after 1 day, then after 3 days, then after a week. This helps move information from short-term to long-term memory. Third, practice retrieval. Test yourself without looking at notes. Quizzing yourself helps identify what you know and what you need to review. Mix up your study methods. Read, write, speak, and draw to involve different parts of your brain. Take short breaks during study sessions, especially with physical activity. Moving around helps reduce stress and keeps your focus sharp. Be open to trying new ways of studying. If one method isn't working, switch to another. Flexibility is key. Use helpful tools like timers or task management apps to structure your study time. The Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes then taking a 5-minute break, is a great example. Finally, reflect on what helps you learn best. After studying, think about which activities made the material stick. Adjust your approach based on what works, not on a fixed idea of your learning style. The main point is to use a mix of strategies and stay open to new methods. This way, you avoid limiting yourself and make your study time more productive. Remember, the goal is to find what helps you learn and remember most effectively, not to stick to one style.